this girl is evil. Eh? So this girl deceived us to go inside. So she can run away with the car? Hey!
Why is this girl always deceiving me? Why? What was I thinking? Here.
Mama, don't worry yourself, okay? Leave her. Let her go with it. Since none of us can drive the car, let her go with it. My husband will buy me another one that is finer than her own self. Yes. Okay. Yes, Mama. Mama, hope your mind is right. Leave her. Let her go. Let's go inside, Mama. And Mama, where is the gate man and the maid?
Gate man? I've sent him away. As for the maid, I kept her so she can be preparing food for us.
Hi! Agumai! Mama, you know I love good food. I love good food. Thank you, Mama. Agumai!
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Mama, stop now. Eh? Stop crying. Stop. If you cry like this now, people will know we are hiding here. Eh? Why would Mercy do this kind of thing to me? Why would she do this to me? Mama, what did I ever do to her? At least let's just thank God that nothing will happen. Let's just pray nothing happens to her. Please. When I told you Maduka was a nice person, you people did not answer me. Eh? Now he's not the one that's trying to help us now. Mama, even if Sister wants to do born again, is this the way to do born again? I was complaining about this thing since. Eh? You take picture on a phone with her like me. So how long am I going to be in this bush? Look at me and leave. Mama, we are leaving here tomorrow. The festival is tomorrow. At least we can leave here tomorrow and go back to the house. Let's just pray they've not burnt that house now. Because you don't know what your sister has done. You don't know the gravity of what your sister has done. Even Maduka was able to pacify them not to burn the house. We won't go into that house in the next 3 months. Eh? Mama? Yes. We will not enter that house in the next 3 months. That is the way it is done. It's not going to happen. If the house is not burnt, we won't go there till after 3 months. Mama, it's okay. Then I'll be walking up and down. I'll be moving about without saying. It's okay. Now, you don't, if they catch us here, no fan and phone. You don't do. Mama, you don't do. Be cool. You don't do. Mama, you don't do. You don't do. Now, why do they shout? If they catch us here now. Mama, I beg, yeah? Yeah? No cry now. You don't do. If it's too much, you catch rat, chop rat for you.
Gucci, what have I done to Mama? Why is she treating me like this? Why?
Babe, stop crying. I understand your pains. I feel them. It's not as if I don't feel it. You see why I say I can never marry a man whose mother is still alive? Because I don't want to be going through all this now. I can't bear it. I can't stand it. I can't.
Only that I didn't give her a grandchild. That's all.
Oh yeah, call your husband now. Eh? Inform him about the situation on ground. He needs to know.
Will he fly back to Nigeria? No, tell me, for how long am I going to stay in this hotel? He's meant to stay there for 1 month. 1 whole month.
Okay. Stay in my house, eh? You can crash in my house. What are friends for? Please. Don't worry.
Even if it takes a whole year to stay here, I'll stay here. I know he will pay when he comes back. Don't worry. I'll stay here, I'll wait for him. But tell me, why is mother doing this to me? Why is she treating me this way? I'll quit this marriage.
Don't even think about that. Are you out of your mind? Eh? Are you alright? You want to quit your marriage for who? For your mother-in-law. So she will be happy that she has finally won the battle. I will not allow that woman win this battle. You will not leave your house or your marriage for anybody. You should be thanking God. Your husband still loves and adores you. Eh? You should be thanking God though. All you need now is prayers. Pray hard. Don't ever quit your marriage for anybody. Don't even try it. I dare they find husband, you won't quit your own. Don't try them.
I am praying.
Pray harder.
Maduka, only you use your mouth and tell my mother what you told me. Maduka, what is it again?
There is a very big problem. Nsobudio, do you know Mercy was thoroughly beaten today by the boys, as instructed by your John. In fact, if not for my own intervention, they would have killed Mercy. She is just so very lucky. Because in the history of this masquerade, nobody has ever seen this masquerade or encountered it and remained the same. I don't know why Mercy's case became different.
I talk this thing, I no talk am. I talk am, I no talk am. I dey talk this thing every time, but nobody dey listen to me. Now see. See.
Mercy bring me to Ezbarino and leave me there. Why will she bring me out like this? Why? What did I do to you, Mercy? What did I ever do to you?
Mama, just calm down.
Hey!
The both of you should remain here. I will come here myself in the night to take you back to my house. Because you cannot enter your own house as I speak to you. Your house has been marked. You will not enter there until after 3 months.
3 months?
Yes, after 3 months. So you will be here. If they see you anywhere close to that house, they will kill you.
So I'll be in the bush.
Maduka, thank you, yeah. Thank you. God will bless you for me. Thank you. Mama, what are we going to do now? What are we going to do? How are we going to eat? How do we feed? How do we take our shower? What do we want to do now? This bush won't stay.
It's okay, Aku. What I will be doing is, when I come to take you back to my house in the night, every night I will sneak into the house to get you what you will need. Especially what you will wear and what you will eat. Okay? So calm down, don't worry yourselves.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God will bless you.
And bless you.
Thank you.
Mama? Enjoy me. Why won't I enjoy? I will. In my son's house. I will enjoy. Yeah. So this is what that seedless palm kernel has been enjoying in this house. Mba, Obi, eat it. More, as much as you can. Eat it. Eat and eat and eat. Yeah.
I'll eat Mama. So that once Collins comes back, I will give him beautiful eyes.
Bam. Bam. Over there. Here. You see? You are now the madam of this house. Yes. I am solidly behind you.
Hey, where is that stupid girl?
Ada, where is that stupid girl? What's keeping the pepper soup waiting?
The pepper soup is almost ready, ma.
Ada? You see her? She's not your madam.
Did you hear that? But I saw her.
Anything she tells you is what you will do. Now listen for me. If you disobey, you can hear me very well. I hope the gate man has gone.
Yes, ma, he has gone.
She need room for so.
You want to prepare my vessel? Get up.
Okay, ma. Let him go. I don't even need him.
Good. So finish your food.
I
need those sweets. Triplets. Anyhow, bring them. Bring them. Yeah.
So okay, yeah.
Also.
I need the demand.
Yeah.
I told them you've gone, no. So what are your plans now?
I don't know yet, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. By the way, what are they even eating inside there?
They have finished all the drinks in the fridge. Even the chicken in the freezer. They made me to cook pepper soup for them with it. I am not happy about this at all.
Me, I'm not even happy. And I'm very hungry. So what do we do now?
Ugo, how long do you intend to hide in your quarters? The way I'm seeing it, hey, these people don't intend to go tomorrow. They don't intend to leave anytime soon. So I suggest you jejely go and beg her. You better go and beg her. Oh.
I know. I know. But I'm afraid of what Oga will do to her when he comes back. And you and I know we will not escape him. And he warned us very well before he left.
Is it about Oga? I'm not scared though. I am not scared of Oga at all. If Oga is in our shoes, what will he do? Wait. Does he expect us to go and fight his mother? Yeah, no fish out though. There's nothing we can do at all. We cannot fight his mother.
So what do we do now?
You, go and beg her first. Then we'll know what to do. That's the thing. That's the only way out.
Nigga, please, I'm begging you. Don't join others to treat them this way, please. Monica, you have to be very, very careful. Eh? Don't put yourself into this matter because you are in love. Eh? Mercy will see what she have done to herself. Eh? My father and others have decided that she must be banished. That was what they were discussing in my house. Onyeka, no. Onyeka, no. You are my very good friend. It was the only master that caused this, and not our family. Please, just go back to the house and see that old woman. Just see the poor woman there. She is going down every day. Madika, so you even know where they are hiding? Eh? Don't say I did not warn you. My father listened to you because you are my friend. If not, they would have killed Mercy by now and burned down their house. Onyeka, I understand all this. I understand. Just do this one for me, please. I just want Mercy to see me as somebody who has been very helpful to the family. And that is all. You know how she has been taking me. Please, just help me. That's if she survived the beating. That's our own business. Anyway, come, let's go and talk to my father. Thank you. Now you're talking. Can I have somebody again?
Honey, please. Please, calm down. Honey, I don't want this trouble.
Please! Do not preach to me. Do not preach to me! Do you know what my mother has cost me? Do you know what she has cost me? I was supposed to be in China for 1 month. Look at me. I'm not going to let you stay in this hotel anymore. Today, you will see the other side of me. Rubbish.
Honey, be good, please. I will run away. I don't want this trouble. Please calm down. I know you're very angry. Please, just calm down. Because anything you do now, they will say I am the cause. I am the cause.
Listen, people can say whatever they want to say. Whatever you do, people will still say something. I don't care. Look, I've had it up to here. Enough! What nonsense? My mother had the cause to chase my own wife out of my own house. Look, I cannot let you continue staying in this hotel. Never. It will never happen. Just wait till I'm coming.
If you go to village like this, you will injure somebody or you will hurt someone. Hey, God. God, what have I done? What have I?
What manner of barbaric traditions could this be? I mean, how on earth could they do this?
Pastor, that is where we see it. That is where things are here. For the past 2 weeks, I've not set my eyes on my daughter. I don't know if they have killed her.
You people have to go back to that house.
Pastor, we can't go there for the next 3 months. It's not possible. Pastor, we can't go to that house. You see that boy in Madoka? If not for that boy, I don't know what would have become of me and my daughter. We've been staying in their house.
Okay, I'll have to meet the man that's in charge. Take me to his place.
Pastor, that man is very evil. We can't go there. Maybe you have to go there alone. I'm not going to follow you.
Oh, never mind. You just show me the house. I'll see him myself. Go into the car, let's go.
Oh.
Holy, 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 holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our holy, 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 holy. Repent, sinners will go to hell.
Mama, enough from you. I've had enough from you, Mama. What nonsense is this? Why are you protecting my marriage, Mama? Why? Let me tell you, Mama. You must leave my house today. You must leave my house, else you won't like what I will do to you. You won't like what I will do to you.
It is a lie. It is a lie. So she has been feeding you with stories of phone and fire. I told you, Collins. I told you that that girl has been using you. Ping pong.
You lie, Mama. Mama, you lie.
Brother, you know that. Yeah, yes, stay. I'm not leaving this house.
What must you do for you? I will slap you here. I'm warning you for the last time. Take this stupid things out of my house. Mama, take this things out of my house. Count yourself lucky. Mama, count yourself lucky, you're my mother. Mama, I'm warning for the last time. I'm warning for the last time. Take this things out of my house. Take this things out of my house, or...
What? What will you do? You can't do nothing. What will you do, Collins? Do it, let me see. All you do is let me see you, Collins.
Alright,
I won't fear. Here, Mama. Did you just hear him? Collins, my husband to be, open his mouth and call me stupid girl when I'm here to help him bear children. No problem.
Mama, that's not me. Mother, will give me today.
What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? I told you not to see them out here. How many of them? I never see them here.
You say she don't find you. You say she don't born you. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife. I like her like that.
See that house by the pool there? See it? That one by the pool. That one painted red.
Okay, by the right hand side?
Yes.
Okay.
That is the house.
So you wait for me here while I go see him.
Okay.
Alright. Excuse me.
Who are you to come to my house to ask me silly questions? Do you know whose house you've entered?
I am a servant of the Most High by the grace of God.
Most High,
What your people did in the sight of God is very, very wrong. How could you send a woman out of her house? A widow for that matter.
Who made you judge in this matter? Have we ever come to your church to tell you how to run the church affairs? Listen, tradition is tradition. You people should even thank Madoka for saving her life. Otherwise, she would have been killed and the house burned down.
I see.
What are you seeing? What are you seeing? Don't waste time in my house.
Chief. I only came to beg you. I will not fail to remind you that if by the end of this week, Mercy is not found,
what happens?
I may be forced to report this to the police.
Oh, police? No. Go and report. Get out of my house. Don't get out, I give you the sickness called the apokanchi. And when you preach your so-called word of God, repent, for the sin you have committed. Don't cry my because Owa, Tuari Lunya, Bekwa Tuariata, Osni I got to Arechi, I just hear me as here on Toari Kayapota no wa.
Nice, come on.
Mama.
Pastor.
I'll give you my number. Then some amount of money for your upkeep. If in the next 1 or 2 weeks she doesn't come back, call me and I'll come back here again.
Pastor, thank you very much. God bless you. You see that man? Please, just don't make troubles with him, Biko. Eh? He's an evil person. He will harm us. Especially that man. Although my friend and his son said they are going to talk to him.
Don't ever speak with him again. Always be in the mood of praise. That's the only way you can overcome this. Get into the car and drop you.
Dalo. Oh.
Stop feeling bad now. You know your mood is affecting you. I've told you Mercy is not dead. I am sure. So tell me, what did the pastor say?
He didn't say anything. He went with my mother to Oyeka's house. Oyeka, if people know if I've done anything to my sister, you better start telling me now.
Akudo, but did he do anything to your sister? Maduka was there. Maybe she ran away in shame, just like Maduka said. I've done what Maduka asked me to do by trying to persuade my father to allow you people to stay in this village. Stop crying. Akom, I've told you to stop crying. Stop crying. We'll be doing our best. We'll be asking questions. Don't worry, she will come back. Okay? Just go home. Go home and relax yourself. Have you eaten?
I'm eating. I ate small. My sister gave me plenty food, but I ate only small. We're tired of staying in your house. Even the pastor said that we should go to the city.
Why would the pastor say a thing like that? Why does he want to take you to the city? You know I'm trying my best. And Onyeka here is also trying his best. We'll be asking questions. We'll make sure Mercy is back. Okay? Just go home. Go home.
I'll see you later, yeah?
Alright. Go home, man. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
I will stop crying, bro. Bye-bye.
Mama, what do we do? Are we going to be here tonight?
Yes, Mama. Let's do something.
What do you want me to do? Eh? Collins has decided to throw us away out of his house without anything. Not even our bags. Look here. This is the only thing I could live with. Eh?
Come with me. Let me come out with my bag.
Chai! Collins! Oh! God will punish you and your wife. God will punish you and your wife. Hey!
Look at me. Eh? Look at me. What do I gain from this now? Eh? If I had known, I wouldn't have accepted to come with you, Mama. Yes. Look at how stranded we are. I hate this kind of embarrassment too.
You must stop now. Eh? Stop now. Are you regretting when you know fully well that Collins will still come back to us begging? No regret though.
The problem is how we get to the village. I don't have any money, look at it. Nothing. No money.
Because me, I'm already tired.
Collins!
Akudo! Who put this thing here?
Mama, I don't know why you worry yourself too much. Pastor has given us money. At least the money we have will take us a long, long way. As long as well. I could do. From the way things are, I don't have strength to go to farm, do farm work with my money. I don't have, you can go farm. See, Maduka and family, they have already done enough for us. How long shall we continue to be in this house? 3 months, I've about 3 days. 3 months, I've about 3 days.
Calm down. Take it easy. Stop worrying yourself. Before you know, 3 months will come and go. Okay? Just like tomorrow.
Mama! Mama! You better say, Mama.
Why are you running like this?
Mama, the Lord has done it. Our God is good. Where did you see her?
She's not dead. Where is she? She's very much alive. We saw her with our eyes.
And you talk!
She's back. In the church.
Let's go to the church now.
No. She's not there. Where did she go? She might have gone back to the house. She said we should tell everybody.
Let's go to the house.
Hey! Mama, take it easy, yo. Yeah? Thank God she's not there.
Oke ajụrụ gị ka ihe kpatara oge ọbụla ị nọ n'ọsọ ma nwa ya na-achọ isi ji ejụọ uze nọ ebe a ka isi bịa eweje jụọ uze ihe uze kwuru bụ si ji ejụọ ọsa ya na luo echi onwe onye ma ihe kpatara ụnọ eto ji agba ọsọ onwe onye na-achọ ụnọ mbụrụ mkpụrụ mkpụrụ mbụrụ mkpụrụ mbụrụ mkpụrụ a ga-akụ ya isi ego. So this idiot came to challenge me.
Mama! Mama!
Are you serious?
Yes. Huh? As you speak now, she's in the house.
How? Thank you, Jehovah.
Hold it there. Hold it there. Why are you people disturbing me in my libation? Huh? Why? I'm asking, why are you disturbing me in my libation? See, don't dare me. You are daring me. What's your problem?
My sister Mercy is back.
And so what? Will two of you go inside?
Okay.
Go inside.
No problem, sir. Thank you. Don't worry.
So this girl came back again, entered this village to disturb everybody. That means she has not learned any lesson. She has no regret over what she has done. Alright, later now, Onyeka and Maduka will come and plead on her behalf. And I will deal with them. Just imagine. What are you doing? Na be toileta. Ụwa na-atụgharị echi ọ ntụgharị ka anyị pụtara ụwa.
Sister, where have you been? I'll be looking for you.
Thank God you're back. I don't suffer. I don't suffer, but I suffer. The suffer where I suffer yesterday, that particular suffer, I get hunchback. I tell you something. I don't suffer. You shouldn't have removed the palm front now. Not again. We shouldn't be seen around here. Mama, leave that one where you won't begin to talk now.
Not you are the tenant say I don't suffer. Normal suffer, no be straight to this stand. Before person like me, stand straight, tell you say the suffer where I suffer. You get on back. You don't know say I suffer where? Eh? Now for how long now we go to fear? How long we go to live for inside fear? Other one now, it don't end. Those evil men, they nearly kill me. They nearly kill me. If not because of that guy. But now, I don't come back. I go deal with them, they go regret. I just the wait. Make one person come here now, come tell me make I come up for this house. I dey wait for that person. Now we are on a basis.
Sister, it's Maduka. If it's not Maduka, do you know we've been staying in Maduka's house? If not for Maduka, they would have burnt this whole house down.
It's your papa. It's you. Don't try. You try well. No problem for that one. No kuna go back on a load to come back.
You see you know so that this your talk, this your anyhow talk when you talk so. Now they make people they say you not be Christian. And they tell you, everybody now for this village say you not be born again Christian. They say you not be Christian. Pastor say when you come, they call you.
Now, make you not mind the talk when you talk with this your mouth. You dey hear me now? The new development now be say, if I swear for you, you go follow you. If I swear for you now, it go follow you. So no do what you go make me swear for you. No call any pastor. I don't want to make anybody come here and I can't make I forgive all those evil men. Make I not do what I want to. If you try out, I go swear for you and it go follow you. I get parole where I won't go wrong. Go back on that place, come back inside this house. Inside this house? No. For that field, that place we plant.
Oyeka, you and Madoka, I called two of you here. Because when you start pleading now, I say no, don't be surprised. Do you know that Mercy is back? Eh?
No.
Are you aware?
How did you know?
I've just told you. Mercy went to that house again when it's not yet 3 months. Eh? So, you are going to summon the boys, then prepare Ojono. We are going to show her the other side of us. Yes.
Papa, please, let us go and warn her to leave that house.
No. No. She has desecrated the land. Eh? We're going to deal with her. She will see the other side of us, the other side of evil. Mercy is daring us. Move. She will see the other side of evil. Eh? What were you doing? That's why you're there. Oh, try to worry, Joya. On to worry, capital. Wow. Oh, bon to worry, can you put out? Oh, wow.
Thank God for Obioma. We are finally home.
Yes, so Mama. Thank God we are finally back. Hey? And thank God for that good Samaritan. No? Ha!
Hi! Yeah! Me, Amuchi, I will not let this go by. Never. Udoka, go and call Ichi. The Kingsmen will hear this. Hey! No. Never, it won't happen.
Mama, you have to be angry at Oge's wife. Because you don't know what she might have told brother that made him to react that way. Hey? Now look at us. We now look like fools before Obioma. The most important thing now is how we are going to pay her back. How do we pay Oge back, Mama?
Even after every boasting, after all I said, all the promises I gave to her, yeah, it won't happen. Collins, hey, I will not take this. I will show you I am your mother. Just wait for me. As for Oge, I got food.
Oh, Biageli, hurry up. Hurry up. Where are you?
Papa, we are ready. Let's go.
Who are the we?
Amarandai, of course. You said you want to show us where to get cassava.
Well, shut up your mouth. See, Amara, when I made the promise, I didn't mean today. I didn't mean now. Oh, I'll take time to teach you how to farm, but not today. Will you go up? Oh?
Grandpa, please now, let me come with you, but I'll be living in this big house that is like this, so that I'll be used to farm.
I know I'm going to apportion a day I will teach you. It's boring, I know. The promise I made to you, I will fulfill. When you go up, stay.
Madam,
yeah.
Don't worry, eh?
Pardon.
Go back. Let me go with him. I'll see when I get back. But I can't keep this basket.
You mean Mercy is back in this village and went to the house?
Yes, Mercy is back. And that is why I called all of us here. So that we can talk first before we get to Shea's house. Please, guys, I want to beg you for one favor. Do not raise your hands.
Are you mad? In Apuala? Don't even tell us that again, please. Do you know what that girl did? Or have you forgotten what happened to those that did that before? Nah, bele.
I know all that. And that is why I'm begging you guys. That girl has passed through a lot. It's just a simple plea. Just let us not raise our hands on her. It's very simple. Please.
Please what? Now, Marika, stop this. Because she's your girl, you're asking us to back out. Have you not done a lot for them? We have been accommodating them for a long time now. Okay, Mercy is back. You're allowed to go there. You don't even talk to her. Nah, we are going there.
See, guys, calm down. Maduka and Mercy are not in taking time. Maduka is pleading just because they are about to be in-laws. Please.
Oeka, that is not our business. Guys, let's go out there and mash her down. Let's go. Nonsense. Let's go.
Even after my plea?
Now, go now. Let's go now. Okay, kill yourself.
Maduka. I have tried my best. You have also tried your best. Mercy didn't do well at all. There's nothing we can do about it.
Mike, I know and I understand very well, but what am I going to do? That is why I'm very confused. What am I going to do in this situation?
Maduka, go home. Thank God your girl is in your house. Go home. We have tried. Be a man.
I've heard you.
So here is the whole place. I invested big money here to take care of you. Have you harvested cassava before? If you've not, I'm going to teach you now.
Have you? Yes. Have you forgotten that when my husband was still alive, that we used to come to the village to take some gari?
You are correct. In any case, let me see. We'll see very well. We can try to do that step. No, you have to balance. See, balance well, so otherwise it will be difficult for you.
What are you doing? Please!
I'm trying to teach you very well.
Don't do this. Please. How? Biko.
Okay. Let me tell you the plain truth. The pure truth. That thing you could not give my son enough when he was alive. I am here to take it. Obegali, you pushed me down. Hello. Hey! Uwa tuwari unya. Tuwari ata. Chokwa ki atuwari echi. Ntuwari ka apụtala ụwa. Azimu uwa tuwari unya. Tuwari ata. Choki atuwari echi. Ntuwari ka apụtala n'ụwa. No. Obiageli, for pushing me down, you will pay for it. Ndị abụrụkwa nke ebunyi ọcha na-enwero ntụpọ. You will pay back. Ngaba wonye. Mfanye mfachie. Your husband is no more. So I am taking care of everything. I'm after you. You pay for it, I'll get you. I promise you.
Akudo, you are still here. Where's Mama?
Mama has gone to Maduka's place. Sister, I beg you, please, let's leave this place. Please, at least for 3 months.
I will not leave this house. I will be here. Nobody can scare me away from this house. So any day both of you are ready to come back, I'll be here waiting. I'm going out.
Mercy, so you are still here? You want to try the power of John, Abi? You have the guts to come into this house. You are coming with us. Guys, what are we waiting for? Let's take her away. Oh, you can't.
Sister, get up and leave this place before I render you useless. No! Let me see how you get up this time.
Sister, what did you just do?
You want to try my God? Do you want to try my God?
I don't know what else to do. Huh? I want us to leave that place. But my daughter refused. See, I want someone that will help me talk to her. She wants to kill herself.
Don't worry. My son will try his best to make sure no harm comes to her, okay? You all can stay here. Let her even come and stay with us. Mercy is very stubborn.
Come, let's go home. Let's go home now. I beg you. They did not kill her. Do you know, Sister Master started performing miracles? I am telling you, God has finally answered her prayers. Those boys came to carry her. Mama, if you see what happened in the house today, Sister Master did like this. If you see them, all of them fell on the floor. They couldn't stand up again. They were struggling to get up. They could not get up. Sister Master did them again. They fell again. As I'm talking to you now, they can't even stand up. Come, let's go and see. Just come and see with yourself.
So finally, Mercy has gotten the power she's looking for.
Mama, I am happy. Let her deal with those boys. Hi. Dasike. Hi.
What kind of thing is this now? Eh?
I didn't do anything to Papa. I didn't do anything to Papa.
Again, how can Papa be like this just because we went to farm with him? How?
Monica, you were not there, so don't say what you don't know. God knows I'm innocent of it. God knows I'm innocent of this. I didn't do anything to Papa.
Auntie, how do we believe you now? Eh? Who will believe you?
How do you expect my mom to have done this?
God knows I'm innocent of all this. God knows I'm innocent of all this. I didn't do anything to Papa. I didn't do anything to Papa.
Abegeli, you will explain to our case man what happened to my father. You will explain out to our case man. No problem.
I'm innocent of all this. I'm innocent of all this.
Sister, what now? Sister, what is all this? Mama, thank God you are here. See what Sister did to these people. They can't even stand up again. What is going on here? Mercy Okini,
you want to try? When I won't try, Abi?
No.
Okay. No. You will be here until that your masquerade gets here. Hey! Yes! Mercy, think it was Mercy before.
No.
Think it was Mercy before. So, even if they not tell me, we don't realize I don't package. Can you not see it? I now have powers. You cannot intimidate me again.
No, Mercy. Hey, no, Mercy. Please, please have mercy on us. We won't try it again. Please, just help us stand up, please.
Mercy, there are good things, more better things to do with the power of God in you than these things?
Man, don't tell me that.
Because you're no one, not like this.
Sister, I beg now. Now this thing make people they say you no be Christian.
I say no.
I want to see that useless masquerade of yours. Else you will be here till tomorrow morning.
You only do what you told us to do. Come here again. I swear.
You'll be here till tomorrow. And here I go there. And you say you be Christian.
Holy, 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 Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our holy, 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 holy. Repent, repent, your sinners will go to hell. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our holy, 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 repent, repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our holy.
Sister, I'm the one.
Can you something?
Yes.
Come out here.
What's your son? Son, are you? Samson. Yesterday night, right? You can see very clearly. Yesterday night you were so weak. And that thing you were doing with that girl yesterday night has destroyed you. Like that. Sing it. Bible says that which will make me miss heaven. Lord, take it away. Sin of fornication, adultery. Lord, take it away. God said those who put their trust on Him like Mount Zion. He said they will run, they will not faint. They will walk and sin of fornication. That girl you did with yesterday. Come back, church. Innocent face. They shout when you come. Oh. Sing it. You do that again. Sin of fornication. Will you allow it come near your dwelling place? Congregation, stretch your hand forward and pray for. You don't heal. Amen. You are healed. Amen. You are healed. Amen. Listen.
Sister, it's me. Marine spirits. Come out here, come out here, come out here. Oh, marine spirit.
Spiritual husband. Behold, I've given to you life and death. Choose life that you may live. You spirit of mommy water. Cultic husband. Marine spirit. Kneel down. Kneel down, kneel down. Kneel down, kneel down. Church, stretch your hands. Marine spirit. Since age 2.
Pray for him, church. Pray, pray, pray! Pray for
Mama, how are you feeling now? Mama? Look, how is Mama? How is she feeling now?
It's okay. I'm coming. Let me help you get your drugs. It's okay. Please be fine. Just relax and come in.
Mama, please talk to me now. Talk to me. How are you feeling? I'm sorry the way I reacted. I know I overreacted. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I came for us to make peace. I know I overreacted, Mama. Please, I am sorry. You pushed me to the wall. You pushed me to the wall. I'm sorry. You'll be fine. Sorry. I'm sorry.
This is one thing my husband don't like about you. Stop all this ministry, you go up and down. You know me too well, Ugochi. Did I attend any ministry before I got married?
My sister, I dey pity you. I swear down, I dey pity you. Hey, your mother-in-law is not happy with you. Shebi your husband don't go beg him now. Shebi your husband has gone to beg your mother-in-law. Tell me, my dear friend, how long will your husband continue to beg her? How long?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. All I know is that my husband loves me so much and he will always stand by me. That's all I know.
My dear, don't be too sure. Don't give yourself such expensive hopes. Because with the way things are happening, that's a lie. You don't know village people. You don't know the plans your mother-in-law have for you. What you need is a child, my dear. You need a child.
Gucci. Okay, what are you suggesting?
Since you don't want to follow me to that man's place, there is this woman I heard about.
Woman, not man again.
Will you allow me to talk? They say the woman stays at Ndidani. And God has been using this woman to perform miracles. Yes, so I think we should go there. Me, I want to go there. I really want to go there.
The thing is that I don't want anything that will make my husband get mad at me. I don't know.
Which one is it? This place where I'm talking about is not far. It's somewhere we can go and come back before he returns. And moreover, you have a car. So what is there? I don't know why I will be the one begging you to solve your own problem. My dear, no be me dey this house. Now you fire the bone. If you know they go, I go. I need a husband desperately. And you need a child. So the yam is in your hand. Cut it or you leave it as a tube of yam.
Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome, Mercy. You're welcome. You see, I am very, very happy now that you're happy. Yes. Very, very happy. You see, God has begun to manifest himself through you.
Amen. Amen.
Thank you, God. Now, one more thing. I want you to take it easy with your people.
Yes. Yes. I will try that, sir. But I will not pity them. I will deal with those of them that made fun of me when I was struggling. Thank God. I have gotten the power I have been praying for. Now, I'm going to reap the fruit of my labor. Yes! Those my people that were making fun of me, they do not deserve pity. They don't. I'm happy. I'm very happy. In fact, I cannot wait for rich men to begin to drool in here. Drool in here. And fill it to capacity. To drool in.
They will come.
Trooping.
They will surely come.
Amen.
You see, now that God is manifesting himself through you, they will come. You see, one thing about the word of God is that it will continue to spread.
Amen.
It will spread like wildfire.
Yes.
And before you know it, this church will be filled to capacity.
Amen. Hi. In fact, Pastor, when next you come to my church, I will not tell you thank you for coming. I will give you thanks for coming.
Mercy.
Pastor, sir.
Don't worry about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Don't worry about that. My joy is that you are growing.
Yes.
You see, this season, we shall organize a crusade. You know, that is another way God announces his servants. And by the time we do that, and God begins to manifest through you, the rich, the poor, will come to your church. Amen. And like I said, it will overflow. Amen. The gallery everywhere. The goodness of God will show in your church. And you know what? That building project you're planning, that big church you want to build, will now become what? A reality. Amen. By the grace of God. Amen. Just believe.
I believe. Hey. I'm giving you thanks for coming.
Mama, how did you do?
What did you do, meaning?
I know!
Mama, look at Mercy. I'm happy for her. If I get so, I am more happy. I'm happier than you are. I am happy, not just because things have changed for us, but I am happy because my daughter Mercy is now the talk of the town. Hey! It's no longer Mercy this, Mercy that. People now worship her. Even those that do not like her, they come to her ministry to worship God.
Mama, that one is not even my business. My own is that as long as she likes Maduka, I am fine. Hey, if she likes, she should tell me to fast for 40 days, 40 nights. I'm ready to fast. So now you can fast for Maduka. No more fainting.
Hey, Mama, no fainting again.
Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our home. Righteousness, repent.
These things are from the church. She said we should bring it here.
I will want. Please, go and tie it there for me. Oh? Keep this one there. Oh?
Sister Mercy, come, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she don't take nonsense. She said when we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go, you go by yourself.
Mama, see Pepe Sumu. Thank you for calling my daughter to serve. It wasn't easy. But no, it wasn't easy. It was worth it. I'm happy.
Guy, I have told you, you don't want to help your father. Start coming to Mercy's ministry. Leave pride by the side. It will not help you.
My brother, it is not pride. I am ashamed. Not after all we did to Mercy.
Oh my God. Oh, you're not the only person that offended her. And others have started coming to the church. So why only you? I have told you, by the time you start coming to that church, she will see that you are very serious and she will come and pray for your father. It's very simple. My happiness now is that she has accepted that her sister will marry me.
Really?
So I'm very, very happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
Papa?
Where are you going? Leaving me to stay here alone.
Papa, I'm going to Mercy's ministry. Let's take you to her so that she can hear you. She can pray for you.
Don't go there. I don't want her to heal me. When I am fine from this sickness, I will deal with her.
Papa, you're lying down here thinking of what you will do to Mercy. Didn't you hear she killed Mwanyeze after so many years of her illness? Let's take you to Mercy so that she will hear you.
And I have said no. I said no.
Okay, now I'm going. I need the prayer too.
Let me go so that she can pray for me too.
Hi! Mama, eat. Both of you should eat. How? This is the reward for your prayer and fasting. This is how Jesus Christ and the disciples used to do it. Everybody has gone. Last supper. No, you're not. Hey!
When the Bible says, those who wait till the end and endure, they enjoy. Your story is the history.
Hey! You're sorry quoting Bible. You're sorry quoting Bible. When I was pushing you everywhere, you thought I was mad. Now the entire village is respecting me. Me, your mother, I will respect you. Wait, let me ask you. When are we going to be fasting again? What time will we be closing? I'm ready. Hey! Look at things are coming out like this. Mama wants to fast again. Mama wants to fast again. She wants to fast. Ready. Anytime, any day, week to week, month to month, year to year, I'm ready. No problem. No problem. No problem. Sister, thank God that you said she might the car. As I am now, I'll follow you to your church. But don't do anything wrong. Don't do anything wrong. Because my church has to be full. Very soon, rich men will start coming. And they'll bring money because they want miracles. And this will be coming like this? Yes. Hey! I do not want to marry. But you, I wed you and send you to the city. Because I don't want them to start talking nonsense in this village. That girls from this family, they do not marry. Bamba.
Sister, is you the one to wed us in that church?
Is there anything wrong in that?
Mama, which church is that?
Her church now. You the mad? Eh? I get that kind of big church. Now we go out now before. Oh, therefore. Eh? You don't want for me now. Finish the chicken. You dey ask me foolish question.
Mama. Only you pay yourself.
Yeah.
Oh. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our home. Holy. Repent, your sinners will go to hell.
We will not deceive you. We care a lot about you. Let's just arrange for you to see Mercy. At least she can pray for you.
I don't know. You did this. Don't worry. It is you and
Papa, it is obvious she did not do this to you, Papa. Free your mind, Papa, please. Live right now, please, Papa. Let Mercy come and pray for you. She is very powerful. Papa, we don't want you to die, you. Please.
I will not die. It is my enemies who will all die, including Obi. As for you, Anonyeka, I am disappointed in you. After Obi did this to me, she went to talk with her.
Grandpa, my mom did not do anything to you. Mom, I think we have to consult Sister Mercy. Without Papa's knowledge, let's find out what is wrong with him.
You will not ever mention my name to her. It is right. I will deal with all of you once I get up.
So, honey, after you've suffered to go to the village, Mama is still angry with us.
Honey, I'm telling you, Mama was so mean. Mama is just so heartless.
Hey, God, am I the one to give myself a child? God, am I the one? What's all this?
Honey, stop this. Stop lamenting. Stop lamenting, I beg you. Okay? Look, Mama can go ahead and cut us off. Okay? I don't care. Please. I know that one day, one fateful day, the God that we serve, the God that we pray to every day and night, He will surely give us a child.
Collins, please forget it. Forget it. Collins, you've been saying this for long. Collins, I know your mother. I know that one day she will overcome you and make you to send me out of this house. But you know what? I am not going to let that happen. Never.
Honey, why are you saying this? Why are you talking like this? Honey, my mother can never overpower me. Please don't say that again.
I'm not sure of that.
Come here. Honey, you know I love you. You know I love you so much. I will never leave you.
I'm sure. I'm just, seriously, I'm tired.
Honey, come on.
I am tired.
Love conquers it all. Alright? I love you.
Sing am, sing am. Sing am. Sing am, sing am. Jay. You go end.
Amen.
You go end.
Amen.
You go end.
Amen.
I said you go end.
Mercy. What have I done against you? What have I done? Onyeka, is this the deliverance you talked about?
Yes, Papa.
Is this the prayer you told me to offer for me?
Yes, Papa, calm down.
Hear this.
Papa, calm down. This is how it's being done, eh? Calm down. Calm down.
They get their own healing. This one, I don't worship you. This one, the person they lie. This one, made the thing back to your mind. I can't just 3K now. Push up for you.
Please no. Okay. Let me confess. Truly, I took the woman to the bush to sleep with her. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Okay. Forgive me now. I've confessed. Please. Forgive me! I won't do it again. I won't commit it again, please. Forgive me. Set me free.
Confession.
Set me free.
Papa, it's okay. This is how she cured many people.
No, I don't agree. Mercy hates me. She hates me. Onyeka, if by tomorrow I don't get well, I will get angry with you. I will get angry.
Please forgive her. Please.
You don't have to be useful to yourself. Because you now go if you promise me, you now you talk with you and not talk. I go slap you. You don't make a pray for now.